Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any delicious recipes. So today she's showing you how to make beef ribs, delicious beef ribs, which I'm sure you will love. Let's get into it. Okay, so first is preparation. You have to remove the surface layer, the skin layer on top. Otherwise, the short ribs won't fall apart in the cooking process. It'll hold together and it won't work. So you have to remove that fat layer or the skin layer, the surface layer.
And then after you take this off, you just make some incision like that.
And after you remove the skin layer, you coarse it, you make some shallow incisions,
Just
crisscross it,
where the bone is.
just on the bone side. Now onto the marination part. This ingredients are in the description box below, guys. So first she adds some salt, black pepper, paprika, dried oregano, garlic powder, and onion powder. She also adds some brown sugar, and you mix it thoroughly all together. So this, guys, is for the dry rub, to be rubbed on the short ribs right at the beginning stages. So once you finish applying the dry rub on the ribs, you let it sit and marinate for minimum 2 hours. And if the weather is too hot, you can place it in the fridge and let it marinate, but make sure you bring it at least half an hour to 1 hour before you start cooking, just to bring it down to room temperature. Okay, so just before you place it in the oven, you got to make sure you seal it extremely well to ensure all the flavors stay inside and no heat escapes. So she basically places it in a baking tray that's lined with aluminium foil. Then she places another baking paper on top, and then again with aluminium foil to seal it off. So it's a very tight parcel indeed, and that will make sure you don't get any leakage. You get the best cooking method in this process. So she places a few layers on top just to make sure it does not leak. And into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius.
Preheated oven.
Preheated. So after 4 hours in the oven, nice and slow, it's time for the great reveal. And there she is. Tell me that does look good. So you can see nice and wobbly, falling apart, and this is the time you start brushing onto it your favorite barbecue sauce. So we can sit here and tell you how to make a good barbecue sauce, but there are excellent barbecue sauces available from your supermarket. Why would you? Who's got the time to make a sauce from scratch? If you can, then all the best. But we just get our favorite barbecue sauce and mop it right on top of the ribs.
And then you leave it in the oven uncovered for half an hour. You put it back in the oven uncovered.
Then you put it back in the oven and uncovered for half an hour to let it crisp up. And that's it, guys. After 20 minutes, 30 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, it's nice and beautiful and red and crispy and delicious on the surface. And there it is, guys. Absolutely, look at that jiggle. Absolutely delicious looking. Super juicy, super tender, super delicious. You can't go wrong with this bad boy. And as you can see, right off the bone, and absolutely divine. Do yourself a favor and try this recipe, you won't regret it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time with another delicious recipe.